Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? I hope all is well out there with you. I'm back, guys, to talk about Matrix Pro leads. If you're here for the first time, go ahead and click that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Alright, Matrix Pro leads, guys, is a business opportunity buyer lead service. They actually offer leads, okay? Home business, affiliates, network marketers, MLM, internet marketers. We all need leads. We need people to talk to. We need people to see our opportunity, okay? So they offer those leads. They offer direct mail leads, they offer email leads, and they offer texting leads. So they basically offer 3 types of leads in different quantities, okay? Because you're here to make money, but you've got to have people to talk to, and we don't bother friends, family, co-workers. We don't do what they call, what is it, the 6-foot rule. I don't go out to shopping centers and say, hey, you look like a person that could work this business opportunity that I have. Do you keep your options open? Any of that stuff, okay? I actually work with or speak to targeted people that have actually showed interest in making money from home, okay? So with Matrix Pro leads, they have that source. Now, what I want to show you is the different leads they have and how much they cost and all that good stuff, okay? And then I want to give you an update that they're gonna have coming in the next couple months, okay? So let's go take a look at what type of leads do they have and how much are they, okay? Let's take a look at that. Okay, I am in my back office because when I place my order, I just log into the back office to order more leads. So I'm in the back office. So they have what they call direct mail leads. For like myself, I do a lot of postcard marketing. So direct mail, okay, will be the ones you would want to focus on, okay? They have the email leads. With the email leads, let me show you. The email leads, they're all going to be emailed to you. That's what I like about Matrix Pro. They will email you all your leads. That's first, okay? Now, with the email leads, you're going to get the name, the mailing address, the email address, and the phone number, okay? All that's going to come to you via email, okay? Then we have the texting leads. Let me show you that. Now, the texting ones, they cost $10 more. So for 100, it's going to be $40 versus $30 for the email or the direct mail leads, okay? Same information. You're still going to get the name, mailing address, email address, and phone number, okay? But these are going to be $10 more, okay? Because with these, you can actually upload these to like ringless voicemail. And that way, you can send these to people. You can send a message like a voicemail without actually their phone ringing, okay? You can send a message straight to these folks' phone, and the phone will never ring. They'll just have a notification that says, hey, you have a message. So these are great as well. I've tested these as well. So you can select which ones you want, whether you want the direct mail only, the email, or the texting. Now, I definitely like the ones that come with all of this because I actually upload these to my autoresponder in the Conversion Pros, okay? So 100 leads will cost you $30. The email leads, 100 will be $30. For $10 more, you can get the texting leads. These are the ones I'm speaking of that you can upload in far as ringless voicemail, okay? 250 leads will be $70. If you choose the 250 texting leads, they're $80. So $10 more. If you want 500 leads, they're $135. If you want 1,000 leads, they're $248. It'll be $10 more, $135 if you want the texting ones, okay? So we have all the quantities, 100, 250, 500, or 1,000. You decide. Now, a quick update. I spoke to the owner a couple days ago. I want to do some clarification, make a clarification. The only leads right now, that you're going to get in the mail on peel and stick labels would be the direct mail leads. Okay? Only the direct mail leads, but they all will be emailed to you. So if you want them on peel and stick labels, you have to order the direct mail leads. However, there is a new update. In the next couple of months, there's going to be some changes. I'm going to read the email to you. Okay? In the next couple of months, they're going to be making a change, a great change. Okay, where we can make more money far as commissions is concerned. And then what will happen is the email and the texting leads, you will be able to get those on peel and stick labels for, I think it's an extra $5.95 or something like that. Okay, and that's going to come with the new updates they're going to be making. I'm going to get to that in a minute. I'm going to read that email to you. So you definitely want to get in this program because it's going to get better. See, the thing about this, guys, is this is, yes, it's an opportunity to make more money, but it's not going to interfere with what you're already doing, because you're already in business. You're trying to promote something out there, whatever it is. You need people to talk to. You need people, or at least to send those people to your offer, your website, your capture page, whatever it is you're trying to sell. Okay, so now you can send people to this company, to your affiliate link, and make a commission. Okay, I have a few folks that's in this, that's in network marketing. They have teams. So what they do is, of course, they send them their link, but they go ahead and they buy like the phone leads or the email leads. And when people join their network marketing company, they give them leads, people they can get on the phone with, because most network marketers, that's what they do. They do the three-way calling and stuff like that. In our business, we either going to upload these to an autoresponder, or we want to mail a postcard or a flyer to them. So either way, you need leads. So why not get paid for doing something you already doing anyway? Because most people out there send people to some type of lead source, but most of the companies don't compensate you for it. Okay, so I'm going to show you that email, but before I do, let me show you, you can get paid with this. Okay, I get emails all the time saying, hey, you got a new customer, you got a new customer. So hang on a second. Check this out. We get an email every time someone's, we get a new customer, a new order. I'm going to show you this one. This one came in, and I'm going to show you the timestamp at 4 something in the morning while I was asleep. So you can automate this thing, okay, get these leads coming in, and you get commissions for this. Check this one out. I'm going to cover up the person's information, but they spent $248. I just showed you a $248 order is for 1,000 leads. But guess what? It came in at 4 something in the morning. Let me show you that timestamp. Okay, look at this. 4:34 a.m. on a Friday. It shows you right here this order came in. I was asleep, but I got paid from that order. Someone placed an order. So you never know when people are going to place an order. So get paid for doing something you're already doing anyway. And if you're not doing it, you should be getting leads anyway for your business opportunity. Okay? Okay, here's another one. I'm going to show you this one. It comes from admin at Matrix Pro Leads. Check this one out. Okay, here's another one. This one came in at 9:14 p.m. in the evening. This person spent $135. See right here, $135. That's a 500 lead order. Okay, while I was out doing whatever I was doing. Okay, $135. That's a 500 lead order. Okay, so people are buying leads because they need them for their business. Okay, so the admin sends an email out. The administration lead comes to show you your customers. Then you get a Matrix Pro leads to show you they actually pay you. They pay you at the end of the week. So I got paid for leads, and then I get paid up to 10 levels of people that join me. Okay, so and they're people. So I'm getting paid off of other people's efforts. So not only I'm getting paid off of people that I refer directly, but I'm getting paid from my teammates when they refer other people. Okay, so this is a business opportunity as well as a service that I'm using And then I'm referring other people and getting paid that way as well, guys. And I'm using these for my 98 Unlimited as well. I'll get to that in a minute. But let's look at this email real quick from the company. Before we do that, here it is, 67 bucks that I got paid for, you know, just referring people to buy leads. Okay, and that went over to my Matrix Pro debit card that I have. Okay, so let's look at this email with the new updates. Check this one out. Hold on. Okay, so they sent this out a week or so ago. But basically they're saying here, I want to get to the nitty-gritty of it. They're going to be making some improvements as far as the commissions are concerned. Let's go down to that. As a part of our continued effort to get or make the program better, we're working on getting a free affiliate option. Okay, the first order will be 50%, up to 50%, because right now we get 33% on that first order. So they're going to do away with the $4.95. Okay, so you want to get in now, because everybody that's in is going to be grandfathered. Okay, so if you're inactive and you canceled your membership, you want to get back in, because they're going to be adding 2 more levels. Right now it's 10 levels. It's going to be 12. Okay, so all of us that's already in, we're going to be qualified to get those other 2 levels. So they're going to do away with that $4.95 affiliate monthly fee. Okay, but back to what we were talking about earlier, you're going to be able to, those email leads and the texting leads, you'll spend like if you want those email mailed to you, you're going to spend like an extra $5 to get those. I spoke to him and that's what he mentioned to me. We'll have more updates on it, but I'm just letting you know. So they're going to do away with the $4.95. So it'll be a free affiliate program. So you can be an affiliate for free. Okay. And that 50%, just imagine that person that spent $248, instead of me making 33%, I would have made 50% commission on that once this changes. So you want to get in and become an affiliate right now. Okay, so go ahead and order leads and become an affiliate right now. Go to my website, www.buyerleads.info. Get in now. Okay, so you can take advantage of this and be able to be added to those other 2 levels. Okay, because you see they pay. I just showed you guys that. Now I want to talk to you real quick about, I'm using these leads for 98 Unlimited and TextBot. Okay, so this is my new addition. 98 Unlimited is an all-in-one system. It comes with step-by-step guide on how to promote this very simple, no-brainer system. As you can see, this is the capture page. It's $98 commissions you're going to make on the front end, and month after month after month, these people are going to pay you $98 to continue it. Why? Because the training is included, because they have digital products that teach you how to market this business. Okay, it's really a no-brainer. You get these postcards, check them out. Okay, and we're going to be mailing these leads from Matrix Pro to these people. Okay, they work, guys. I only had 2 returns with these. Okay, I mailed out some TextBot ones and I got 2 returns. Okay, 2 out of 100. That's awesome. That's a great return. Okay, only 2 came back. So check out my 98 Unlimited. Go to 98bucksaday.com. I'm going to put the link below. Start collecting 98 bucks over and over and upfront, instant commissions. This program is on fire. I've gotten so many people interested and I've made some sales with it as well. Okay, so check this one out. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. See you guys on the next video. Have a blessed day.